Lupru Samalia, not the Leshuata, and Taringegi, Lupru Samalia, Karshua, Lavarishna, and Tarin Delia, Union Human Resource Development Minister Gi, Ani Delia, Kari released to Sugarishna, alternative academic calendar for students' lunch, and mix it in a Kubachualia, those Chisha, and the Karacha Durashina, it is to provide guidelines to teachers on the use of various technological tools and social media tools available for imparting education in fun-filled, interesting ways which can be used by learner, parents, and teachers even while at home. Number someone can say, in this period of COVID-19, which is declared as a global pandemic, teachers, parents, and students have to remain at home to prevent its spread in the community. To make it very simple, we not only have to keep our children busy, but also maintain continuity of their learning in their new classes. So NCERT has developed an alternative academic calendar for all the stages of school education. This calendar is prepared for 4 weeks, and which may be extended further. And KC lockdown the mutun chivarshina dunda shidi activity dirwa the dunda ani nga troop use the matro series. In this calendar, the topics have been selected from syllabus and are linked with the learning outcomes. The main purpose of preparing this calendar is to create a very conducive learning environment at home for the students so that they can learn in very meaningful and joyful way. The teacher may encourage children for self-study, readings and learning by doing with available resources at home under the supervision of parents. And the Union Human Resource Development the alternative academic calendars such as ani amato nangsha and the luptu so thanda angkas hobe gyaga gyayo danashi zamni yudo cholia ani neom digi kengi an phamare luptu re gege re changma andus nang degyo sonza anta dusin shudu zabalaya lobjongi delamdi an chaje gyun yoga rijne phama mangojriya chaje mebata and the yudu zabalya and the inji miji and legush pe ures la chedus mato nasha and legu di pe na di the mixegi pozolia and pamegi chituya and tanashi gengi and pososo get nang tuyagi and those kozogi pangdim ji suesha sue that and that tulia labda choy medu zambala pogoso kande lojon chigi yomedi gochu mewa sonza and gegen pama da chamegi and those chini 차리념대 톤이야 보고서야 로존디 무튼이 네요 손장 따탄다 내용디 먼저 교고 매와 차이를 이 차차는 제일 안 먼저 lap도 고주시도 좀 보고서 로존디 주인이 마치에 쳐도 안 되지 레뷰시 페이샤 쇠 아니 보고 상말라 안디 주인이 다리 나 앙제기 집에 차니 아니 앙제가리야 가리메 엔 먼저 또 보고 상말디 너도 슈기 쇠 alternative academic calendar 톤이야 가르도 로젠디 가르도 슈거스나 and the CBSE examination from Chivarishna, Lozen Tangbodi, and unit number system ne, real numbers share the ratio sway, and did told young Modu Chitan Pos Hamegi Kazi, today at Solka Sutis January, and the Mutuni, Mazuki, 6-9 da, a Tangbodilia, Mazuki numbers, the Zabala, and Tangatia, your penetration, and in Monzunandia, Nami Kazu, Laya Sopata, have Kazu, and Shingo Kazu. There's some of and natural numbers. So natural numbers they are called counting numbers. They are called counting numbers. And the example the so counting numbers are called natural numbers. So example 1, 2, 3, etc. And natural numbers it is denoted by capital letter N. The name whole numbers. Natural numbers together with 0. So 0 along with natural numbers. 0 along with natural numbers are called whole numbers. And the examples are, some of the examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And it is denoted by capital letter W. And 제자마다 somebody 가르쳐 주고 쉬고르시나? 한 먼저 integers 가르쳐 주고. And integers it includes whole number and negative natural numbers. So whole number along with negative natural numbers are called integers. And in negative natural numbers lana -1, -2, -3, etc. And it is denoted by integers are denoted by capital letter Z. And some of the examples. So we don't have the smallest integer. And the reason it starts from there are so many integers, negative integers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The numbers which is on the right hand side of zeros are called positive integers, positive numbers, and numbers which are on the left hand side of zeros are called negative numbers. And integers like negative positive numbers and zero. What about zero? Zero is neither positive nor negative. And these integers can be used. Are there any numbers between two integers? So need to the integer need number you numbers of link your own hospital. And numbers only a continue. Are there any numbers between 0 and 1? Until this number of Kashi and the yes, like a link casha, and Kashi sometime shusha, and sometime so one day to what liquid is about so sometime report Jim check, and there's a link to another now. I said to someone to losing Ziloma to what the ball Jansa walkable. And he did some yes, and we use it every day. So for example, we have 1 by 2, we have 1 upon 3, and we use 0.2, and we use 0.8, and these are called fractions, and these are called decimal. So fractions and decimals, they are not integers. They are not integers. Integers remember, but these numbers lies between 0 and 1. But these are numbers. So therefore, fractions, decimals are called, and along with integers are called rational numbers. And rational numbers is denoted by Q. So this entire set, the natural number 1, 2, 3. This set is natural number 1, 2, 3. Then your whole number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 yorwa. The ganza natural number nyemdo 0 yorwa. The gal nyemdo negative number. So integers na whole number, natural number, changma integers wa. Then I model na fractions and decimals. So this entire set is called rational numbers. So here comes the word rational number. Any number of the form, any number which can be written in fraction, any number which can be written in fraction, where P and Q belongs to integer, where P and Q are integers, and the only restriction is that Q should not be 0. Q should not be 0. This is because when since dividing by 0, it is undefined. So the example 0 ki divide to the undefined kaji me 20 on is way penetration 3 by 0 is undefined kaji me both sama. Okay, and why 3 by 0 is not defined? And both some report on some time you share it. The cousin defined to number condition penetration 6 divided by 2 defined here. Cousin defined here because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So 2 number 3 multiplied 6, therefore 6 divided by 2 is correct 3. Similarly, 0 times how many number is equal to 3? Therefore 3 divided by 0 is undefined and not defined. Is like showing. Kachina na? Because 0 into number so cheap or number 0 li much 3 li marwa. The base is showing. The day in the sonza, I'm not to one never the is. She was somebody Kachaduna. My third question is she was somebody Kachaduna is natural number 3 a rational number? Is natural number 3 a rational number? That's what the rational number reverse numbers of work way. And work with this number that you are some which the positive. I think Lane Kachaduna. Yes, 3 is also a rational number because it can be written as fraction 3 upon 1 p by q की form. So rational number ना p by q की form रहा the dish here you so सा ही rational number is and there यता मतलब थिव शिव चाले दो is 2.5 a rational number. So the case to this number यहाँ पोस हमा number जो यहाँ दिखला positive है समझता लो ना समझे. Yes. Nantirua, Samishingore, 2.5 is also a rational number. Is a rational number. And Yumzendi, Harachati 2.5 is a decimal. This can be converted into fraction. So this can be written as 25 upon 10. And when you write this in standard form, so use both of them are divisible by 5. So therefore the answer is 5 upon 2. And since 5 upon 2 is a fraction, 2.5 can be written as 5 upon 2 and 5 by 2 is a rational number. So 2.5 is also a rational number. Just any rational number can be written, expressed in a p by q form, fraction. Fraction form का स्वेत हुए ना, अन्य fraction को छाती बोल रहे हैं. The only restriction here is q should not be 0. Rational number a number which can be written expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So the K-Chu condition summer the fraction is of the butcher the much neither the p the q numerator the denominator niga and integers in and K-Chu denominator should not be 0, q should not be 0. The day rational number is and rational number example 2 by 3, 0 upon 5, and then we have 6 by 7, 22 by 7, and negative 7 by 6, etc. Rational number day-to-day life law and rational number and if you see that if you want to find the height of a hill and that is 750 meters, can be represented as 3 by 4 kilometer, and 3 by 4 like correct fraction rule, and all fractions are rational number. If you share a pizza with your friend, the pizza share and pizza share 1 by 8, and the gamzani chashi matego. This is also a fraction, and we know that all fractions are rational number. If you go for a shopping and the shopping board says that there's a sale of 50% off, that means we need to pay only half the amount of the actual price. The day you was on the rational number day-to-day life number to which you are and numbers of here rational number like and day-to-day life now Shamba Mayimba the day example and the WhatsApp now which is and people share to Chenan, letting them shaggy to